Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the Yeedi S20 Infinity. If you're interested in the S20 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's go over the vacuum and see what we need to maintain. Starting with the top, you have a removable top, so this cover just pops right off, revealing our dustbin, which actually has your care and maintenance instructions directly on it. But basically, you can take everything out of here, wash, rinse it out. The key here is just to give it plenty of time, 24 hours to dry everything off. But the filter is washable for those that are wondering, and it just pops right out. Grab it right here. You can wash and reuse this. Again, the key is just let everything dry enough before you run the vacuum again. And then this all just snaps right back in place on the vacuum itself, just like so. You can wash and rinse this out too. And then again, everything just kind of snaps right back in. Inside here, you can wipe this down if needed. You can check the bumper for any debris that might get caught or building up there to affect its ability to function properly. Looking at the side of the vacuum, you want to wipe down the sensors every once in a while. If you notice some dirt and dust starting to accumulate, just gently wipe everything down with like a microfiber cloth. Here's our dust outlet. This is where it self-empties, so you can reach in here too. If you notice any clogs or hair, things settling there, you can pull that away. On the backside, charging contacts and additional sensors to wipe down. And we have our lovely, lovely, lovely dirty water tank. So that is removable, so we can wash and rinse and clean this out. There's a look at the dirty water tank. There's a filter in here. You can wash and rinse out. It's really teeny tiny. So keep an eye on that, but it's great that we have access to the dirty water tank. That's key. And that just pops right back in. And then on this side, we have some additional sensors as well. Looking at the underside, we have more sensors to keep an eye on to wipe down. We have our main side brush here that you can detangle as needed. And there's a little Phillips head screw. If you have a new one to replace, you can just pop that brush off. You can wipe down the wheels. For the main brush, you can cut away, clean, and swap this brush out. Very easy to replace. And then our detangling comb and cutter right there. You can take that out. It is removable. And then it just snaps right back down in place. But very easy to get access if you need to cut, detangle, rinse things down. All of that can be done here. And then for the mop roller, we have our scraper here that's removable. This is replaceable as well. I believe you got to use the app to pull it out, and then you'll be able to press a red button in here to release the mop to come out. So you could swap that out when it's wore out, or if you want to give it a deeper clean from your system, you could put it in like your washer. But you have the scraper that you can rinse out, and then that just goes right back on. Just line it up, and then it should just snap right down in place like so. More sensors on the back side. But overall, simple and straightforward. Basically, just keeping an eye on any dirt, debris, or dust starting to build up, or any hair, and wiping, cutting away.